is a video tutorial for My Oasis members registration. Welcome. When you first click on the link provided to you, you're going to open up this page. On the upper right-hand corner is a link. It says Create Account. Click on that. When that's clicked on, this box will open. Choose Consumer, the very top one. When you click on that, this window will open. This is where you're going to enter all of your information related to first name, last name, your email you're going to be using. Make sure that you're able to write both your email and your password down so that you remember it when it's time to log in. Your password has to be 7 characters long, 1 capital letter, and at least 1 number. Right here is the field for your doctor's PIN. It is a 4-digit PIN code. It will have been provided by your doctor. Here's your billing information and your shipping information. Lastly, your payment information. Once this is complete, click on Register and you're ready to log in.